Us humans were in competition with our own ancestors for survival. Welcome to part 7 of an 8-part series discussing human evolution. So humans popped up in Africa about 300,000 years ago. At this point, both the Homo erectus and the Heidelbergensis had traveled to Asia and Europe respectively. But that does not mean that they left Africa. Humans are thought to come from the Heidelbergensis, which means once the humans popped up, they were in competition with the Erectus and Heidelbergensis in Africa. So we have a multitude of different species competing for similar resources, and 2 of the 3 species had a head start. So how did the last species, us, come out on top? It really comes down to the fact that we could do everything they could do, just better. We had better cognitive abilities with a bigger brain, more sophisticated tools like stone-tipped spears, and we were less picky with the foods that we would eat, allowing for really easy adaptability. Now this is a bit of a tricky concept to explain, but technically the Homo erectus and the Heidelbergensis never actually went extinct, as we used to be that species. Therefore, they adapted and created us. But isolated populations that did not contribute to human evolution did go extinct. The Heidelbergensis, which eventually became the Neanderthal, went extinct to climate change and too picky of a diet. And the Erectus in Indonesia could not adapt to the changing environment from woodlands to thick jungle. In other words, the Heidelbergensis produced us, and then competition and environments wiped out what made us. And we came out on top. Follow for the last part of this series, where I will be discussing how scientists define species.